Lovely students, once again in speaking session, once again in learning session. It's 17th day of English speaking challenge, in which we will talk about how we can be good as a native speaker, how we can present ourselves, how we can be a better, particularly on that area that is very important for your speaking. Like today I wanted to talk about students. If you are in the life of students, then definitely you have to face a lot of challenges, problems, hurdles, difficulties. In spite of this, you are working. Like in spite of so many hurdles, you are in the field of student, you are doing any kind of work. You should know about how to talk in a better way. Like if I am a student, then I try to speak with anybody that is a part of my life. If I have no idea how to talk with someone, how to talk in formal way, and what is this, what is the formal way, what is the informal way, and how we can tackle the difficult situation, then it's very hard to survive in this society. So what we have to do and what we should do in our life, we should try to indulge ourselves in new learning. We should be learn new things in our daily routine activities. If I am a student, then I have to talk with strange people. I have to get new experience from my teachers, for my environment, everybody that is the part of the society. I can learn each and everything from them. If I will be able to tackle difficult situation in easy way, then I can prove myself. If you think that I am the only person, I can change my society, I can change my environment, then you can do this. But instruction, condition behind that, you have to work on it. Like if I wanted to speak in a better way, then I have to speak again and again. I have to speak in a better way. Might be from the beginning I face a lot of problems, but with the passage of time I can tackle all the hurdles, I can tackle all the difficulties with a beautiful way. If you think that without struggle, without putting myself in difficult situation, I can do better, then it's my wrong perception. It's my wrong idea I am taking all the time. So my main motive behind that, just speak in a better way. We are trying to improve our speaking skill in English. So in this topic, in this idea, in this technique, you can talk each and everything. You can take any kind of topic, you can take current topic. It can be indifferent. It can be from business, from other perspective. It can be from politics. So it's totally depend upon you. But our main goal or motive behind that, just speak in a fluent way. If you will speak in a fluent way, then it's easy to speak in any position of your life. If you have a good position, then it's up to you. It's your bad position, it's also up to you, because you are the person, you are the responsible. All of your deeds you are doing in this world. If I am speaking with you, then I can better in my speaking, but it's need a time, it's need a fluency, it's need a attention, it needs your all the efforts that I wanted to put myself when I have a free time for this. If I think without efforts, without hurdles, without problems, I can get a good position, I can reach to my final destination, then it's very hard to do. It's very tough for me to survive for me in this world. But one thing is very important, it's your consistency. If you will be consistent, then you can achieve any kind of goal if you have in your mind when you are trying to do anything in your life. If you think that without your goals, without your efforts, you can do each and everything, then it's very hard for you. For getting good days, for better days, you have to fight yourself for good days. Like if you have a bad days in your life, then you have to fight for good days. If you think that my all the days will be remain same, it will not be positive, it will not be easy for me, then it's our wrong idea we are taking all the time in our mind. One thing is very important. When I am trying to talk with you, I am trying to take new topic on daily basis. Today our topic is students can be better in any perspective of their life. Student can become a good doctor, professor, engineer, any field in which they are working, they can be good, but instruction condition behind that, you have to work on it. If you will work on it, then within a short time you will be in the position of this. Like if I have a mission, I have a goal, I wanted to become a good speaker, then I have to work on it. I have to speak on daily basis. I can use different platform, I can use multiple resources for improving or betterment of my speaking skill. It can be live video recording, it can be my conversation with others, it can be conversation with my teachers, it can be conversation with my senior, juniors, everybody that is the part of my society. I can talk with them, I can tackle all the difficult situation with the help of my conversation. If I think that without my conversation I can do each and everything, then it's very tough for me. For promoting your ideas for your betterment, you have to work on it. If you are a sportsman, then you have to also work on it. If you are a businessman, then you have also work on it. If you are doing any kind of other activities, if you are doing any kind of other job in your life, then you have to work on it. So same like this, if you wanted to improve your speaking skill, then you have also work on it. It can be in a different point of view. So on daily basis we are making different videos just for the sake of promoting our English speaking skill, and on daily basis we are taking different topics and try to give points related to that topic. Your topic can be different, your ideas can be unique, and you can be unique also. Your personality, your attitude, your behavior also can be unique, but it's need your time, your attention, your motivation. And motivation is a key for your success. And if you motivated yourself, then you can motivate each and every person that is the part of your society. You can motivate any person that is attached with you on daily basis or other perspective of your life. So all the time I'm stressing the importance of speaking in your life, because if you have a knowledge but you are not speaking with someone, then it's your wrong idea you are taking all the time. Despite of so many knowledge, you are not trying to convey with others, it's also your fault, it's your mistake. And if you have a mistake, then you should try to solve this problem in your mind. You should carry all the things that is good for you, and you think that if I will deliver this thing to others, then it will be useful for others, that is the part of your society. So students should do unique activities in their life, because afterward they have no golden opportunities in their life. Like if I'm a student, I have an opportunity to become a doctor, engineer, businessman, professor, any field I wanted to choose in my life. But when I become one doctor or other profession I have choose, afterward might be I have no choice to change my profession. But during your student age, you have a chance, you have ability, you can do each and everything in your life. So it's all about for today. In next video we will talk another topic, and it's our daily English speaking session, in which we are talking 30 days English challenge. And in this, it's our 17th day, and it's all about for today. It's all about for students. Student can change their profession on regular basis. But when you become a doctor, engineer, other profession you choose, either you are being compelled from your parents, or you compelled from your teachers, but you choose this profession. Afterward, you have no choice to change your profession in practical life. But in the age of student, you have a choice, you have an opportunity, you can change your profession. But when you become a doctor, other profession you chosen in your life, afterward, I think you have no multiple option to change your profession, because most of the time we think that this profession is not good for me, I have to change this. But I think that time might be minor chance you can change your profession. So in next video we will talk another topic. It's helpful for our speaking skill, particularly in English.